Chapter 5 Painting with Tux Paint. Learning Outcomes. At the end of this chapter, student will be able to start the Tux Paint app, learn about various tools used in Tux Paint, apply the tools to make drawings, know how to save a file and exit the Tux Paint app. Warm up. Match the following shapes with their names. Answer: match square with square, match rectangle with rectangle, match circle with circle, match triangle with triangle. Glad to meet you again, friends. In this chapter, you will learn about a painting app called Tux Paint. Tux Paint is a free drawing program with a graphics editor. It has an easy interface and fun sound effects. It has so many drawing tools like Paint tool, Line tool and Shapes tool that makes drawing more fun. Tux Paint helps you to make beautiful drawings. Yay! We are going to start the Tux Paint app. Starting the Tux Paint app. Here are the steps involved to start the Tux Paint app. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Select all programs. Step 3. Click on the Tux Paint option, either full screen or window. The Tux Paint welcome screen will open as shown in the picture. Components of Tux Paint app. 1. Canvas, drawing area. This is the most important part of Tux Paint and has the largest area. Here images are drawn and edited. 2. Color palette. It is presented below the toolbar and sub-toolbar of the Tux Paint window. We can choose from over 50,000 colors in this palette. 3. Selection tools. This tool provides various selectable objects like brushes, shapes, pointer, fonts, etc. for selection. Do you know? Tux Paint can be downloaded for free. It was developed by Bill Kendrick. 4. Drawing tools. It is also called toolbar. It contains all the basic tools we can use for making drawings. On the left side of the screen is Toolbox. When any tool is clicked on the right side of the screen, all the options available under that tool will be displayed. Different tools of Tux Paint. New tool. This tool is used to open a new file. It creates a blank drawing area. Lines tool. This tool lets you draw straight lines using various brushes and colors. Step 1. Click on the Lines tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Click and choose a color from the color box. Step 3. Click and select the size of the line. Step 4. Drag the mouse to draw lines. Shapes tool. This tool lets you draw some simple filled and unfilled shapes. Step 1. Click on the Shape tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Click and choose a color from the color box. Step 3. Click and select a particular shape from the selector. Step 4. Drag the mouse to draw shapes. Paint tool. This tool is used to create freehand drawings and ready-made patterns in Tux Paint. Step 1. Click on the Paint tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Click and choose a color from the colors box. Step 3. Click and select a particular brush from the selector. Step 4. Drag the mouse to draw shapes. Fill tool. This tool fills the picture with a color. It is found in the Magic Effects option. Text tool. This tool allows you to write letters and numbers. Teacher's note. Ask the students to write about different tools of Tux Paint on the chart paper. Step 1. Click on the text tool from toolbar. Step 2. Click and choose a color from the colors box. Step 3. Click and select text style from the selector. Step 4. Type the text on canvas. Stamp tool. This tool is like a collection of rubber stamps or stickers which is used to paste ready-made pictures of plants, animals, etc. Step 1. Click on the stamp tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Click and choose a stamp of your choice. Step 3. Draw on the canvas area. Magic tool. This tool offers a variety of unique effects such as blurring and fading for drawings. Step 1. Click on a magic tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Scroll down to see various effects. Step 3. Select the magic effect of your choice. Step 4. Pick a color and drag the mouse to draw the selected effect. Kids IQ. Can you name some other paint apps that can be used on a PC? Let's recall. Tux Paint is a free drawing program with sound effects and drawing tools. There are 4 parts of Tux Paint, namely canvas area, drawing tools, selections, and color palette. The paint tool is used to create freehand drawings. Fill tool is used to fill an image with any color. The new tool is used to open a new file. We can also save and print the drawing using the Save and Print tool. Upskill your intelligence. A. Find the names of different tools from the grid given below. Answer: paint, text, lines, shapes. B. Fill in the blanks with correct answers. 1. Dash is a freehand drawing program. Answer: Tux Paint. 2. Dash is present below the toolbar and sub-toolbar. Answer: color palette. 3. The lines tool is used to draw dash. Answer: straight lines. 4. The dash tool is found in the magic effects option. Answer: fill. 5. The largest area of the screen is acquired by dash. Answer: canvas. C. Tick the correct answers. 1. Dash tools are used to write letters. A. Text tool. B. Line tool. C. Magic tool. Answer: A. Text tool. 2. Dash tool has various effects. A. Magic. B. Line. C. Stamp. Answer: A. Magic. 3. We can choose different colors from dash box. A. Stamp. B. Colors. C. Tool. Answers: B. Colors. 4. New tool opens a new dash. A. File. B. Brush. C. Color. Answer: A. File. 5. With the help of a text tool, we can write dash. A. Letters. B. Text. C. Both. Answer: A. Letters. D. Answer the following questions. 1. Write down the steps to start the Tux Paint app. Answer: Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Select All Program. Step 3. Click on the Tux Paint option, either full screen or window. 2. Name the different components of Tux Paint. Answer: canvas, drawing area, color palette, selection tools, drawing tools. 3. What is a fill tool? Where can it be found? Answer. This tool fills the picture with a color. It is found in the magic effects option. 4. Which tool offers the effects such as blurring and fading? Answer. Magic tool offers a variety of unique effects such as blurring and fading for drawings. Critical thinking. A. Who am I? 1. I am a collection of rubber stamps or stickers. Answer. Stamp tool. 2. I am used to create freehand drawings. Answer. Paint tool. 3. I can type the text on the canvas. Answer. Text tool. 4. You can find me in the magic effects option. Answer. Fill tool. B. Write the name of tools used in making the following pictures. 1. Magic tool. 2. Magic tool. 3. Shape tool. 4. Shape tool. Teamwork. A. Make a drawing of your favorite animal in Tux Paint. Take a printout and paste it in the space provided below. Answer. Do it yourself.